In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Subitems in Monday.com. This is an invaluable skill for anyone looking to organize their tasks and projects more efficiently on this platform. Let's jump right in. First, you need to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate over to the board where you want to begin adding subitems under a task. This is your main project area where you'll be building out your task structure and breaking it down into manageable parts. Next, let's select the item you wish to add subitems to. Simply hover over your chosen task or item, and you should notice a small plus icon appear to the left of the row. This is your gateway to adding more detail beneath your primary tasks. So click on that, and a button labeled plus add subitem will pop up. Once you click this button, a subitem panel will automatically expand just beneath the parent task. This panel is crucial as it gives you space to build out the specifics of your subtask. Now that we have our subitem section open, it's time to fully customize your subitems. Here, you can give each one a specific name or step to clearly define its purpose. To ensure that your subitems are as effective as possible, consider adding various columns like status, due date, assignee, and priority or tags. The status column, for instance, will help you keep track of each subitem's progress. Adding a due date allows for individual time management, while the assignee column ensures that each subitem has a designated person in charge. Lastly, using priority or tags is helpful for categorizing subtasks and understanding their importance at a glance. As you become more comfortable with the subitem structure, you might find the need to add multiple subitems for a single parent task. Simply continue adding these subitems as needed until your overarching task is fully broken down. For example, if your parent task is launch campaign, you might have subitems like write copy, design graphics, and schedule posts to ensure every aspect of your campaign is addressed. Once you've populated your subitems, managing them becomes essential. Fortunately, Monday.com makes it easy. You can collapse or expand subitems by clicking the arrow next to the parent item, helping keep your workspace organized and clean. Additionally, updating statuses, dates, or people for each subitem can be done separately, allowing you to stay on top of every detail without it becoming overwhelming. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering subitems on Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your projects with greater ease and clarity. Thank you for watching, and happy project management.